Temu deals part 3. You all check out my nutcracker. She's so cute. I couldn't put her in the beauty room just yet. Okay, so if you got, I gotta get my tree put together. Anyways, if you guys have watched my videos for December of Temu unboxings, you guys, it's like a pink, beautiful, sparkly, yay! It makes myself so happy. So I've got a ton of pink Christmas decor, so even if you've already got your Christmas tree decorated this year, I would suggest picking stuff up for next year if you plan on doing a pink thing. You don't have to do just pink. They have all different kinds of colors, but I'm pretty obsessed with pink, as we all know. So if you caught part 2, yeah, we got some snazzy sparkly boots. I don't know where I'm gonna wear them, but I have now the pink sparkly boots if they are needed, so I'm pretty happy about it. So anyways, welcome to the channel. If you're new, my name is Rhonda, and this is Temu part 3 unboxing random things that I find at Temu. Temu is an app where you can download it and you can find everything. I know a lot of us are on the app all the time. I have to now give myself a limit. Like, Rhonda, you have 15 minutes. What can you find for $50 or less? And I'm telling you, I have found things from coats to fashion to shoes to decor to outdoor decor to camping supplies. I found things for office supplies, you name it. My husband has found tactical, however you say it, stuff. I mean, the list goes on and on and on. Update, my eye is still watering from like the very first video where I picked up the cat that's not my cat. My eye is just non-stop watering, so the makeup is probably off of that side of my eyeball, so that's fun. Anyways, we're back with another Temu haul, and I will have everything linked and listed down below for you guys if you're interested in picking any of the stuff up that I'm showing you in today's video. If there's any coupon codes and everything, I'll have that linked down below for you guys as well. And thank you to you guys for returning, because I know we all love the Temu hauls. Check out my other channels because I got them over there as well. I'm on the app, like I said, all the time, because I love the fact that they have price adjustments, they have free returns, free shipping, they accept all major credit cards, which, by the way, no, I've never had an issue with any of my credit card information or nothing like that. I know sometimes people will leave comments. I can't help you on that. I've not had issues. My husband, my oldest, my mother, none of us have had issues as far as that goes. So anyways, they have lightning deals all the time, and I love the fact that they, like I said, have the price adjustments. That makes things even easier. So let's go ahead and jump on in to shouting out and thanking my YouTube members. Thank you guys so much for helping to support the channel. You don't have to, but you choose to, and I appreciate you all so much. FYI, you guys do get, well, depending on the tier, some of y'all get early access to some of my videos, so I'm so excited that you guys are enjoying that. And thank you to those of you clicking the thanks button and tipping and donating to the channel. I appreciate you all so much. And for those of you that are returning, sharing my content over on Facebook, thank you guys bunches. Okay, let's go ahead and jump into the first item. Oh my gosh, the amount of Christmas decor. Okay, so I'm filming this early in December, guys, and I said in my last video, it's been like very ho-hum around here. Like, it's rained all day long today, and I'm like, this should be snow, not rain. So anyways, I did pick up different colors versus the pink, because this way I can put it throughout the house somewhere else. So this is like a cute little Christmas tree that you can decorate, and I don't know where the top of it is. Oh, okay, it's all, I'll put it all together. It comes with a little stand, and it says Merry Christmas in here as well. And it's just like a little Christmas decor. I mean, the amount of different Christmas, this is like the skirt. The amount of Christmas decor that they have over on Temu is insane. So I feel like this would be really cute too if you have like a tiny like New York studio apartment or something and you need a little Christmas tree. This will be cute. It comes with the lights that are battery operated. You've got other little decor. You've got your tree stand in here as well that's gonna hook to the bottom. You've got the little star. Like, how cute is this? Or if you decorate your office, listen y'all, like I said, you may have already decorated and everything for this year. But hey, go ahead and snag the deals for next year. Do any of y'all do that? I do that. Like after Halloween, we'll go and pick up like decorations. After the holidays, we're always doing shopping. Okay, so next in here is like a little under the light or under the cupboard light. And you guys, I got some of those like pop, they're not pop. You like tap them and you can put them under the cupboard. They run on batteries. I got those and I really like them. But this, it's a charging one and it comes with like the little sticker and you just stick it up and then you can charge it in whatever. But these are nice in like dark little closets or whatever. Like we have, I'm gonna put this probably in our towel closet because that thing is so dark. So I'm just gonna put it like on the side of the wall. So I think it's actually got a sensor because it's got this up here. It's got all the little stickies and the magnets and everything. Please charge battery before you use. So yeah, I'm gonna be putting this in my towel closet because that closet is just awkward and it's dark and it's annoying and the hall light is not very bright in that closet. So these little things are really nice. I actually have one in our closet too, in our bedroom, that helps see my shoes. Oh my gosh. Okay, how cute is this? It's just like a little decorative boot. Now I thought it was cute because they put like little matchsticks in here and had it next to a candle. I thought it came with matchsticks. It doesn't because, you know, I don't read, but it's got like the little thing and I thought that was cutesy. I'm gonna just have to get little matchsticks so I can put it next to my candle. But yeah, when I tell you the random things I find at Temu, I find a lot of randoms, but they're cute. This is so fun. So, it's a pink Christmas tree that comes with battery operated lights. Y'all just wait. Next year, this beauty room, like it's decorated right now, but oh my gosh, I've got some extra tiny ornaments. I'm gonna just put that on. I'm gonna put that on and decorate. Like, how cute is this? It's all pink. So back when my kids were little, I would actually put Christmas trees in their room, like on their nightstand. This would be great to do that with. Okay, I need to keep floofing, all right, but I don't want to keep you guys here all day. But this would be really cute because nothing has to plug in. You've got battery operated like fairy lights that you can put on here, which is really nice. So you can go in and turn it off and you don't have to worry about anything. That I like that a lot. I wish I had something like this when they were little, for sure. So I'm gonna put this, of course, in my beauty room, but this is really cute, guys. Like a little pink Christmas tree. Pink just makes me so happy. Okay, listen, I'm gonna work on it. She needs some floofing and fluffing, but we'll get her put together. I don't know if this will work, but have you guys been on TikTok and they have that pheromone on there that they talk about? It's like a perfume, and like the guys get in the car and they're like, what are you wearing? What is that? That smells good. So it's a pheromone rollerball perfume for her, okay? And it's supposed to go off of your pheromones, but you guys, even if it doesn't, that just smells good on its own. What is that? That smells like a bougie perfume. What is that? I don't know which perfume this is, but I feel like it smells really good. This smells really good. I wish I could think of the one. Is it Versace Bright Crystal? That's what this smells like. That's exactly what this smells like, but it's supposed to be a pheromone one. I think if you really like the Versace Bright Crystal and you want one for your purse, go with that. I get so many compliments on the Versace Bright Crystal. Oh my gosh, it actually comes with lights and bulbs. Oh my gosh. And it says Merry Christmas. Okay, I'm all over the place. I'm so in love. Okay, I couldn't help it. I just thought this was so cute. How can you not? Oh my gosh. I hope you guys love pink as much as me. How cute is this? Oh my gosh. Ouch. I just got my hair stuck in something. Oh, that kind of hurt. Oh, I kind of pulled it out. Oh my gosh. Oh, I kind of pulled a couple pieces out. So if you have a child that gets dressed up for school for Christmas, or you have a Christmas party, this came in other colors. I know I always pick everything out in pink because, you know, kind of like it. But this is adorable. Just be careful because I literally wasn't paying attention and got my hair stuck on some of the beads. But this is adorable, and I think that is precious. Of course, I'd wear like my hair down probably with it. I love it. It's like a velvet, and then it has all these little decorative beads. It came in like red and black as well, guys. I picked out so many different like things to decorate that I think I just blacked out and was just chucking stuff in my cart. So this, I feel like you could use this as gift wrap, but I wanted to use it as decor on the tree. I'm gonna save it for next year because I've already put the ornaments on the tree. But see, isn't that cute? And it comes in different colors. Don't worry, different colors are available, but your girl kind of has a thing for pink. This literally smells like Versace Bright Crystal. That smells so good. I knew it. I was like, this is a familiar scent. All right, this is a smart rotating ball. What does that mean? You charge it, so it literally spins around. I almost feel like it could be a cat toy. I mean, the random gadgets. Next in here, this is something that I did pick out for my 17-year-old because I just thought it was really cutesy. And it's just like a floofy little decorative pillow. I'll probably just set it back here. But yeah, fun little decorative pillows, really nice and affordable over at Teemu. Gotta love, love, love. I really went ham sandwich with the decor. Okay, so if you make wreaths or you decorate your tree with these floofy things, these were such a good deal because, like I said, probably in a past video, I was trying to do like a themed colored tree a couple years ago prior to Teemu even being a company, and these things were so expensive. So if you are a wreath maker, a crafter, what have you, I would highly recommend checking out the craft section of Teemu. So, because my mom, I feel like, uses these things in her wreaths as well, because my mom will make wreaths sometimes. But I know sometimes people will have these like sprouting out of their Christmas trees, which I may put on the tiny tree. And then these, guys, I'm so excited over these. I love the fact that they also come like this, and then they're like a poinsettia, and then you floof them out so you don't get like crazy poinsettias that like are busted in shipping. So they came in different colors. These are silver. They're kind of like a champagne-y rose with silver accents, but you can put these in your tree. All different colors. You don't have to go with all like kind of pinky champagne-y themes, but I don't know, I just thought these were really nice, and the price was so good, like so much better than where I was shopping online at like craft stores and other retailers. Definitely check out Teemu. I can't wait to add those to my tree. So I don't have a star on my tree, so yay, we got a little star to pop on there as well. These came in other colors, but I just went with silver. More pink ribbons. Okay, so this was another thing that when I price comparison, it was a better deal over at Teemu. These little, like, they're kind of velvet sparkle ribbons. I hope these are not, it's not getting in my coffee, right? No. So it's different sizes. So you have like big or large, medium, and small of these, or no, large and small sizes. And you can put them on your Christmas tree. They're kind of like a velvet with sparkle, lots of sparkle on them. But like I said, this was a better deal at Teemu than anywhere else. I always price comparison, just FYI. So if you are looking for these things other places, you're probably not going to get as good of a deal, especially if you use the Teemu coupon that will be linked down below. Yeah, and they're really nice. Like, look at the sparkle, guys. And then it comes with like a little twisty tie on the back. You could use those on your Christmas gifts too. And then in a different haul, I showed you guys the little twine and wooden gift wrap thingy. Could you imagine that? Like, how flipping cute. I'm not really good at the whole gift wrapping thing, but if you are, trust when I tell you they have options for you guys. I was watching one video and this girl was going all over town looking for different things to decorate her packages with. And I'm like, oh yeah, just go straight over to Teemu. Oh my gosh, I got mailbox covers. Oh, this is so cute. Okay, so I guess I got two. But look, it literally covers your mailbox. So they're two different kinds. Of course, they're pink. But how nice is that? So it's kind of like a canvas, and then it just snaps down here. And you don't have to worry about it blowing away. How nice is that? I think I like this one a little bit more. But isn't that so cute? I gotta yell for my husband. That's really, and it's got like a little slot for your flag as well. So I've always wanted them, and they're so stupid expensive everywhere else. But again, the price was great over here at Teemu. And then I got these because I thought Haley would like them too. But they're little like mirror ball ornaments. And these are like nice. They're heavy. I was expecting them to be really lightweight. I love that they already come with the ribbon. So yeah, it's got a little bit of weight to it than I expected. But these are really cute. Especially if your kids are like into the Taylor Swift era. Because I feel like this is very Taylor Swifty. Not that my kids are, but if yours are, I don't know. Mine, let me just tell you, Haley in her beauty room has a whole mirror ball, disco ball hanging. Yeah, it's her jam. Now keep in mind, all the pink things I am showing you come in other colors, okay? You don't have to get it in pink, but how cute. I thought that's so precious. Oh, I love, love, love. That is so cute. So you got a little sparkle sequin action. It's felt on the back. These are so precious. I love those stocking decor. The last thing in this haul, these have been some amazing hauls. Is it more ornaments? It is more ornaments. You can't beat them, guys. You cannot beat them. So I love these because they are plastic ornaments, and like I told you guys in the past videos, I always hear that cats like knock the ornaments down off the trees, or just the trees in general, and I didn't want to risk it, especially in my beauty room, because that's where she hangs out a lot. When I'm like in there, she'll come and she'll get on my cat that's not my cat, that just comes into our house. She'll come in and hang out in like one of my chairs underneath the tree or whatever. So I was really excited that these are plastic bulbs. But I'm pretty decked out this year, so I'll save them maybe for next year. But I got some cleaning to do, and I've got some decorating to do. So I hopefully you guys enjoyed today's Teemu haul. I'm telling you all, just because you've already decorated for Christmas, get stuff now for next year. Save yourself money. I'm shopping all year round, let's be real. So anyways, thank you once again to Teemu for letting me pick out all of these goodies and working with me in today's video. The deals are insane. Everything will be linked down below for you guys, and thank you guys so much if you made it to the end of today's video. This is still, I can still smell it. This smells so flipping good. So yeah, if you're looking for a nice little travel roller ball, get this. If you like the Versace Bright Crystal, it smells spot on. So good. So anyways, everything will be linked and listed. Check me out on my other channels. Thank you once again to my YouTube members, and to those of you clicking the thanks button, those of you returning, those of you sharing my content over on Facebook. I appreciate you guys more than you know. Until next time, friends, as always, kisses from Kentucky. Mwah! Bye.
Making our Christmas memories. I've been working so much lately, I can barely find find the time to sleep. Yeah, I spend my time running around, keeping people pleased.